fascinating structure. This is called a termite house. It is a millipede. When we touch, it coils. This is a weaver ant nest. They are guarding their nest. This is a weaver ant nest. This is a grasshopper.
The color of the dry leaf and the grasshopper is almost same. You can also see the cows gazing around the area. You can see the dancing butterfly around the walking track. It is a common crow. Isn't it beautiful? Let's find some information about it. Oh, look what we found here. A common crow. Isn't it beautiful? It is a common butterfly found in South Asia to Australia. In India, it is also sometimes referred to as the common Indian crow, and in Australia as the Australian crow. It belongs to the crows and tigers subfamily. I love to see the nature. Isn't it beautiful? Look, it's a fungus growing on the tree. And yes, you might think that it will harm the tree, but no, it will not harm the tree.
See this interesting fungus growing on this tree. You can see the pretty wings of a butterfly called large oak blue. You can see two-tailed spider. This is called robber fly. These are called moth cocoons. This is called two-tailed spider. Weaver ants. Weaver ants.
Oh my god, wait. See what is there. These are called weaver ants. Long ago, one weaver ant bit me. I love nature walk. I think so that it might rain. Just look the thickness and their huge height of the trees. I think so they are about 200 years. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.